are going to bleach some hair.
I'm just like sitting here just like,
Oh my god, I need gloves.
I have gloves, you can wear them. Oh, you
There
love the
you
gloves.
They're over there, but I always do this. I'm messing up. Okay, but anyway, I can mix it first. I'm gonna do bleach. So we're gonna make her hair lighter. No! This is dangerous. Do not do this if you're not.
Don't try this at home, kids. Don't try this at home.
And I don't know the measurements, I just know how to mix it already.
Yeah.
Maybe this is my video.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. Oh, well, we don't know what we're doing. Okay, you can open it. Let me go grab the glove.
I'm gonna talk.
Wait, do you shake it?
Maybe just like once. I don't think it needs to.
I mean, you cannot try this at home.
Just once?
It's just like your adults can try this.
Yeah, just a little bit. You can put it
Okay,
in.
not kids. Don't try this at home.
And we are in Jenny's salon today.
Yeah, I love her.
Not nails, but the hair salon.
Yeah, because I
Yeah.
do nails, but we're doing hair.
She does the greatest nails in the world.
Thank you. We're just mixing this up.
She made my nails before I like kind of got off.
She got them nails though.
Those nails made by Jenny.
We're going for an ombre look today, which I already kind of did already, but we're making it lighter.
I already ate all
Hold
my
on, lady. I'm gonna be zooming in because it's about the hair and not about you. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. You can keep talking. But I'm gonna show the hair because that's what I'm doing. Okay.
I ate all my popcorn.
So she covers up the whole camera with the popcorn.
But not her hair. Not her beautiful hair.
Okay.
I can see Jenny. Why do you not
Did you
see
bend
Jenny?
your head forward?
Because I'm here.
Okay, I'm not a professional or whatever. But we did 3 pieces blonde. Oh crap, I left that open. Anyway, there's peekaboo. It's open. We're gonna rinse this out. It's pretty light. She just wants to put red on top of it, so. We're towel drying it now. I washed it out for her. It was a mission. See, it's lighter. Ooh, it's orange. Ooh. So this is what we're looking at. It's a lot lighter. You know, before pictures like a before video. So now we're gonna add this mixture and put conditioner in it, but it's all red. Gloves too, because I ain't gonna get my hands sprayed. Okay. Okay. Just kidding. Red. Have you look at it? I washed it with cold AF water. It's red. It's red. I'm gonna brush it out now. And then I'll probably dry it too so we can see what it looks like.
Red.
It's red. So this is what it looks like. I dried it and I curled it a little, like a wave.